Hello children, how are you? Myself Asmita Miss. Welcome back to this e-learning class. Today in grammar we will learn lesson number 8, a, an and the, that is called article. So students, let's start learning lesson number 8, a, an and the. So students, before learning about article a, an and the, you should have the knowledge about what is vowels and what is consonants. So let's learn it. Vowels. There are 5 special letters in the English alphabet. These are called vowels. So students, in English alphabet 26 letters are there, but the 5 special letters are called vowels. These are A, E, I, O and U. Here you can see 5 special letters A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. For example, cat, hen, kid, owl and glue. Here in the cat, C-A-T, A is vowel. Here H-E-N, hen. Here E is vowel. K-I-D, kid. Here I is vowel. O-W-L. Here O is vowel, owl. Here G-L-U-E, glue. Here U and E are vowels. So, understood students? The special letters A, E, I, O and U are called vowels. Now, consonants. There are 21 consonants in the English alphabet. That is B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So students, except A, E, I, O, U, rest of the letters are called consonants. For example, cat, hen, kid, owl and glue. Here C-A-T, C and T are consonants. H-E-N, here H and N are consonant. K-I-D, kid, here K and D are consonants. O-W-L, owl, here W and L are consonants. G-L-U-E, glue. Here G and L are consonants. So students, cat, hen, kid, owl and glue. So A, E, I, O, U and E are vowels and C, T, H, N, K, D, W, L, G, L. These are called consonants. Now students, let's learn articles a, an and the. Now students, article a and an are called indefinite articles and article the is called definite article. Now students, in our textbook lesson number 8, a, an and the, read these sentences. Rima wears a new jacket. I have an apple and an orange in my bag. I have a car. The car is blue. Now students, in these sentences we used a, an and the. So let's see how it is used and what are the rules for this. The article a, an and the are determiners used before nouns and sometimes adjectives. Now, first we will learn about article A and N. So let's learn. Article A. Article A comes before singular nouns that begins with a consonant sound. For example, a rat, a ball, a car. So, a rat, a ball and a car, these words begins with consonant sound. So, we used A article. Now, article N. Article N comes before singular noun that begins with a vowel sound or a mute H. For example, an umbrella, an honest boy. Here, the word honest begins with consonant sound H, but H is muted here, so we will pronounce honest, not honest. So, for honest, we used an article. An ink pot. Here, ink pot, the word begins with I, the vowel sound I, so we used an article. N. Article A and N. So let's see what we learn. Article A and N are indefinite article. A and N article are used to speak someone or something for the first time. A and N article used before naming words means before the noun that are only in one number. A and N used with a noun in general. For example, we have a test tomorrow. We want to be an umpire. So here you can see A and N articles are used according to the rules of vowels and consonants. Now, so students, in brief, let's see. Before a word that starts with consonant, you have to remember only one rule. Before a word that starts with consonant means B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are consonant sounds. So before the word starts with consonant, you have to use article A. For example, a blue bird, a nice man, a wonderful dinner. Now article N, before word that starts with a vowel. A, E, I, O, U. So for an article, you have to remember that the word begins with vowel sound. For example, an apple, an egg, an insect. Now students, let's learn about article the. Article the is definite article. It shows unique or specific thing. In our textbook, one rule is given. We use article the when it is clear what we are talking about or when we have already mentioned the naming word before. We use article the when a person, place, animal or thing is mentioned a second time. We use article the when it is clear which person, place, animal or thing is being referred to. We use the article when there is only one such thing. For example, the moon and the sun. So students, moon and sun are only one such thing in the world. So the moon, the sun. We use article the when naming word means a noun that refers to an entire group of its kind. For example, the whale is a mammal. Here whale shows the entire group. Names of rivers and seas. So we use article the before the names of rivers and seas. For example, the Ganga river is in India. We use article the before the names of newspapers, magazines and books. For example, the Times of India is a popular English newspaper. We use article the before the names of desert. The Thar desert is in Western India. We use article the before the names of monuments. The Taj Mahal is an epitome of love. We use article the before the names of oceans. For example, the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Do not use the with the following proper nouns. Now students, there are few rules that where we do not use article the. So do not use article the with the following proper nouns. For example, names of continents, streets and most countries. Names of lakes and mountains. Names of days, months and festivals. Names of people. Now students, let's learn exercise from our textbook. Lesson number 8, exercise A. Complete these sentences with article A or N. I am Suresh Krishna. I am in class 2. I live in a town called Panvel. So students, here we used article A because the word town begins with consonant sound T. My father is an engineer. Students, here we used article AN because the word engineer begins with vowel sound E. He works on an oil ring. Here the word oil begins with vowel sound O, so we used article AN. My mother is an architect. Here the word architect begins with the vowel sound A, so we used article N. She works in an office. Here the word office begins with vowel sound O, so we used article N. I have a younger sister and an elder brother. Here the word anger begins with consonant sound Y, so we used article A. Elder brother. Here the word elder begins with vowel sound E, so we used article N. Look, my younger sister is holding a lollipop. Here the word lollipop begins with the consonant sound L, so we used article A. My elder brother is a teacher. Here the word teacher begins with the consonant sound T, so we used article A. He teaches in a school. Here the word school begins with consonant sound S, so we used article A. Now let's learn exercise B. Complete these sentences with article A, N or the. Here we have to use these three articles where it is appropriate. Now number 1. Manish saw an eagle in a cage. The eagle escaped from the cage. Now students, here the word eagle starts with the vowel sound E, so we used article N. The eagle escaped from the cage. Here the bird eagle is a specific thing, so we used article the. And cage also a specific thing, so we used article the. Tarun wrote a letter to his friend. he spotted the letter from the post office. So Tarun wrote a letter. The word letter begins with consonant sound L, so we used article A. He posted the letter from the post office. Here they are talking about the word letter second time, so we used article the. And the post office is a specific place, so again we used article the. Satish is an obedient boy. Here the word obedient begins with the vowel sound O, so we used article N. Fourth, I have a teddy bear. The teddy bear wears a bow. So the word teddy begins with the consonant sound T, so we used article A. The teddy bear wears a bow. Here the word teddy bear is used second time, so we used article the. Here bow, the word bow begins with the consonant sound B, so we used article A. Number 5, the Ganga flows through India. It starts in the Himalayas. Here the word Ganga is the name of the river, so we used article the, and Himalaya is the name of mountain, so we used article the. Number 6, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Here sun is only one such thing, so we used article the, and in the direction east and west we used article the. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Now students, let's learn exercise C. Look at these pictures. Complete the paragraphs with article A, N or the. A. There is a small bed in the room. There is a table next to the bed. There is a red bag on the floor. There is a carpet on the floor. There is also a clock on the wall. So students, here we used articles as per the rules where it is appropriate. Now B. This is a bus stop. There are 3 people waiting for the bus. The bus has just reached the bus stop. Aman and Rita are waiting for their bus. Aman is wearing a dark shirt. An old man is sitting on one of the seats at the bus stop. Here also students we used article A, N and the as per the rule. C. This is a tea shop. The shopkeeper is giving a man a cup of tea. There are 2 men sitting on a bench outside the shop. One man is drinking a glass of hot tea. Now students, in this way you have to complete the exercise in the textbook. Now students, understand the concept from the video and complete your homework you have received. Thank you.